guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Come Cook with Kay, and today you'll be learning how to cook, but with me. Click that subscribe button if you want to learn today. Hi guys, I washed my hands and I cleaned my meats. I just didn't record it because the time is going by so fast and I had to hurry up and get started on dinner. So I just did all of that prep and stuff before I started recording. But we're gonna have these chicken breasts and cut it up into cubes like this, and then we're gonna season it. We're making Cajun chicken and rice, okay? So we're gonna use all the Cajun, okay? And then sprinkle some salt to taste. Then we're gonna get us some green peppers. It don't matter how many you use, and we're gonna rinse them out and wash them. Then we're gonna get this rice, okay? I'm gonna put it down in the description because I do not know how to pronounce it for real. But it's that good rice. We got all the seasoning mix, and I put lemon juice in the chicken too. Like I put some lemon juice in there. Then we're gonna put oil in the pan and fry these babies up, okay? Then we're gonna get all our diced vegetables that we diced up, diced tomatoes and all, and we're gonna fry them up, okay? I got onions, green peppers, yellow peppers, tomatoes, all that good colorful stuff. Okay, then we're gonna check back on the chicken and start flipping them over until they look brown and yummy like me, okay? Gonna speed that up real quick. Then they are done when they look like this. Then we're gonna check on our vegetables and fry up some more chicken. Then we're gonna season our peppers with the Cajun seasoning, okay? Then we're gonna pour our rice in there. Now this is my first time doing this, pouring it all in the pot and not boiling the rice by itself. We're gonna put chicken broth or vegetable broth in there, fill it up to cover the rice because I don't know how much rice y'all using. So just fill it up until the rice is covered, and then you're gonna let that boil until the rice is soft and nice and done, okay? And I'm still frying up more chicken, y'all. And then it looks yummy like this. Oh yes, it turned out really good. I hope y'all liked it. Bye.